Alrighty, here's our quick little review for Lovevery's kitchen playset. This is a two-part review. First, I'll say, is it worth it? And secondly, I'll get into the nitty-gritty of how it was to install it. Is this worth it? Yes, it is 1000% worth it. Our kid loves this. It's like hours and hours of fun for her. She's obsessed with water. She loves being in the kitchen. She loves playing with, kitchen stuff. So it's got drawers. It's got a utensil cabinet. It's got measuring cups. It's got a strainer. She can wash vegetables for us. Right now at 2 years old, she's mostly interested in the water, but she loves playing with it all day, every day. We have to refill it multiple times a day. And it even comes with a bunch of recipes and some accessories for cutting. There's a cutting board, there's measuring cups. Not that she knows how to use most of that stuff well right now, but it is something that is super engaging for her because she sees us working with the kitchen every day. So yes, it was worth the price that we paid for it. It's not cheap, and the build quality is pretty good. I've seen a lot of people complain about the wood having issues with the water and whatnot, but as long as you get good use out of it, it's probably fine. It's probably worth the money you spend. As far as the build goes and putting it together, it's pretty straightforward. The hardware is pretty common to what you see in a lot of furniture applications. I did have one little complication. They forgot to send me some hardware. There were 3 screw types that were missing. I went through the entire thing, 3 or 4 times thinking maybe I missed it, and I kind of freaked out for a little bit. You can see me in this section scrambling and going through every little piece of the kitchen set that I had, and going through the trash, just trying to see if I had, thrown it away or misplaced it. But it turns out they actually did forget to include one of the boxes. I went through the entire hardware set and documented that they did forget to include a box. These are the ones that were missing, and ironically, they were for the components that require the most important fastening, basically the sink and the water reservoir and the cabinet locks. But anyways, I went to Home Depot and I found some stuff that I thought would work, and I built it up and then did the modifications with the non-standard hardware, and so far so good. Nothing's broken. It seems to be holding up pretty well, so all is well that ends well. If you do end up getting the kitchen set, I highly recommend you go through the hardware and verify that you have everything you need, because if you don't, it does become a little annoying. If you happen to find yourself in a similar situation and you want to know what I use, don't hesitate to send me a DM and I will let you know. That's our review, and thanks for watching.